Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Jessa Tihoson. I am 30 years old and I am married. I have 2 children. My husband's occupation is sales admin. My father was deceased. My mother's occupation is meat vendor. I have 5 brothers and 2 sisters and I am Christian. My highest educational attainment is college undergraduate taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 9 years, since January 2014 to January 2024. I serve 4 members of the family such as 1 couple and 2 children. My main duties are taking care of children, cooking food, doing laundry, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house, and tutoring the kids, like teaching them on how to read and write and wash the dishes. I want to work in Hong Kong to provide my family needs. Since Ma'am and Sir, I am a first-time worker in Hong Kong. I am willing to be trained and I am a fast learner. I can also take care of newborn baby and I can offer tutorial for your children like teaching them on how to read and write. I am willing to learn on how to cook your favorite dish. Ma'am, Sir, please hire me as your helper. I promise I can do my duties and responsibilities at all times. Thank you, Ma'am.